HVAC systems can rapidly become a mold factory. In your air handler, the air handler of your HVAC system has a condenser coil. By design, it gets wet. When it's cooling the air, it's pulling out condensation and it's getting wet and going to a condensate pump, draining out the house. If you don't use a good quality air filter, that to stop the dust and particles from reaching that damp, wet condenser coil, that dust will start forming a nice mold growing paste on those condenser coils.
So true.
And if you've ever looked at the back of a window AC unit, and you'll see on the grill work this black stuff between the fins. That's what I'm talking about. And so next thing, your house has got a mold factory right there. And so I have my HVACs. Everybody should have their system professionally inspected at least once a year. I do mine twice a year, and I have them look at the condenser coils. Take off the panel, look at the condenser coils. And if they're not clean, physically have them clean.